Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I shall review the MI Band 3. I have ordered it from Amazon.in and I got this for a price of rupees 17.99. At the back side you have all the content details, and as you can see the MRP is given as rupees 2199. So I got it in a freedom sale from Amazon and I got that discount. So I have taken out the contents from this box. As you can see, they have given a user manual, they have given the data cable. As I am holding it, I can see that the quality is very good. I am trying to stretch it and it's quite sturdy. And this is the USB port, and this is the place where you have to fit in your band when you put it up for charging. So this is the band. Very smooth build, as I can see here. You can see this is the OLED touch screen. This has a capacitive button. So right now we can see that there is no light. That means that there is no charge in it. I am ready with the MI band after charging it, and as you can see, this is night time, so the brightness actually gets auto adjusted. I mean, during daylight the brightness will be greater compared to the brightness, the level that is given during the night time. As you can see, this is the first screen which is showing the time and whether it is connected to Bluetooth or not, and this entire screen is touch sensitive. Then it will show the date and the number of steps. As of now, I said that this is night time, so today I have covered 8,604 steps while the band was on my wrist. So that's the pedometer showing the steps again. And in this screen, if you scroll sideways, you see the distance covered and the calories burned for step taking. Then that's the battery level. I just charged it to the fullest, so it is showing that battery level. You scroll back, and the next step, that's the heart rate. It is very easy, and then it gives the weather update. And this is your treadmill mode, and if you scroll to the side, that's the exercise mode. So once you want to exercise, just press it slightly and see it will ask you to get ready for the exercise, and then you can start up with your exercise and the stopwatch starts. And whatever exercise you do, all the workouts will give you the calories burned, and then you can stop it by slightly pressing it. Like, see, it goes pause, and then if you hold it for a little bit longer duration, the activity gets ended. So you also have this band with a water resistance up to 50 meters. Also, this has quite a good battery life. Like it says that the standby time is 20 days. However, easily it will run up to 10 days provided you use it somewhat around 10 times a day, if you continuously keep it watching. Pedometer and this calories exercise modes have been added as compared to the MI Band 2. So you can say that this is quite a good band in terms of budget and fitness. Step counting is pretty accurate. In your phone, download this MI Fit app. So today, as you can see, it is showing all the details. It automatically gets synced with your phone, and you can see here all the different parameters are given. So today, including my workout and steps, totally you can see I have burned 118 calories, and it also shows your sleep duration, heart rate, maximum and minimum heart rate, whatever. And depending on your activity, you can see here walking, running, cycling, all the three are listed. And at the bottom is this workout, and you can also connect with your friends and check out like those who are using this band. You can like compare the progress of yours as compared to this. And this is your profile. So here you can set your targets, and once you connect it to this phone, it is very easy to check everything. So that's the way you just link it to your phone, and the rest of the process is very simple. You can continuously monitor all the things. So you can see like I just clicked in this total burnout mode, and see here my status, and all the details are noted here, and your workout details, total distance travel, total energy, all these things. That's all about this band. So this is quite a very good band in terms of budget and purpose, whatever is served by this. You can go for it if you are looking for a budget range smart band. Otherwise, in case of higher price tag, you can go for other bands which are ranging above 5,000 rupees in Indian currency. Okay, anyways, I hope you liked the video. Thank you, and please subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.